Hey everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to my channel. So it's going to be springtime in 2 months. I guess it starts March 20th. So before Apple releases their springtime collection of cases or whatever they're gonna be releasing, I want to be unboxing this case. I might not be able to show you guys this before I forget and before we get so excited on the Apple release. I want to be unboxing this because I like this case too, and I've heard so much good things about this case. You guys have told me about it, so I've been reading your comments. That's why I ordered it. This has been sitting on my floor for a month now, so I think it's time for an Apple iPhone silicone case for iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. Today we are going to be unboxing the Apple silicone case in color Plum. Yes, just like what I said, I've heard so much good things or like good reviews about it from you guys. I'm really interested. I'm really curious. Bought one for myself, and so that's what we're going to do today. So without further ado, or no, wait. And to match with the Plum iPhone 12 Pro Max silicone case, I also bought the Apple Watch Sport Loop in Plum. So we're going to be matching it with my Apple Watch and then my case. So you know what's the drill here. We're matching everything together, so we're looking cool. No, looking cool. We're kind of uniform. I don't know, I just like everything matching. So without further ado, here it is. Okay guys, I am back and I am wearing a I don't know if this is a plum color. Hold on, I had to drink water. I am back and I am wearing a plum lipstick right here. I don't know if this is a plum color, but it's kind of close. I mean, it's kind of close to the case that we have here. And it is the Heroine AA5 from MAC. I don't know if it does look good on me, but I don't care. I'm just like matching our case today. Let's start with our band here. Let me take it off. What I love is that it has pink side in here. I think that's pink. By the way, we have a natural lighting here. I don't have my ring light. We have enough sunlight today too. This is perfect so that you guys can see the exact color that we have here. And I'm also matching it with a watch face here, which is kind of plummy color. Cute. This is super lightweight compared to my stainless steel. Of course, it's stainless steel. It's called Sport Loop, I guess, because you can use this when you're exercising, when you're active, you want to run or something. This is a perfect band to use. I think this is also good for summer, even though this is released in, was it fall or winter collection? Because of the orange and because of the pink on the side, you can also use this during summer. And it looks like you can get this wet and it will dry easily. So as soon as I touched it, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have a band that I can use whenever I swim in the summer. Because I like using my Apple Watch when I swim. And I have a really small wrist. I'm gonna try measure my wrist here. I can see that this part right here is the part where I put my Apple Watch usually, so let's do it in centimeters. I like this lipstick. Calls for kind of Halloweenish. 15 centimeters, I guess, if I'm right. Can you see that? This can be adjusted on all sizes, I guess. So mine is really small. I got problems with my saddle brown leather loop because it's too long for me. I don't know, maybe because I put it right here in the smallest part of my wrist. This one, I just like to put it that way, so it just goes that way. But then my leather loop actually goes up here. So that's why I don't like using that a lot. I like it. My lipstick and the Sport Loop actually doesn't look, it's kind of close, but not as much. I love. So let's move on and jump onto the case. This is kind of lavenderish, I think, than this. This is not actually plum, but it looks kind of in that area of color. A plum is a purplish color that has a brownish gray tinge. I don't know. Maybe? I super love it, actually. So I'm wearing today the Zira iPhone 12 Pro Max clear case. And if you have not seen my unboxing on this, I will be linking it down in the description box or right around here. So I just did put a sticker there from, I think this is from Velvet Caviar sticker. It's kind of cool, isn't it? So let's take this off and try the Plum case. I usually put this on silent mode, but because I want to hear the animation and also see the color, I'm gonna turn it on. See here. Woohoo! Here's the close-up. It's kind of dark. Love the color, guys. Yeah, they are right. that this color is really pretty in person. Even if with the lens protector I have in there put on, ridge right here is still high. So double protection. The ridge in here and my lens protector, my camera would be in safe hands. Will be in safe hands. Love it. I know I've mentioned this on my other videos that I made on the pink citrus and the product red iPhone 12 Pro Max silicone case, but I just still want to mention this on this video. I love that Apple put a ridge here so that our camera will be protected well. If you're interested to buy a lens protector, this is really good so far. I've been using it for a week now and I love it. I didn't see any scratches yet, but we'll definitely update you guys about it. And also I love that finally Apple listened to us and then put a cover on the bottom of the case. And even if there is a silky soft touch to it, it has a lot of grip. I don't need any of the phone grips for this. With matching Apple Watch Sport Loop here, I am good to go with my lipstick here. Really enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it too. Just like what you guys was telling me. Yes, definitely love the color of this. Love the silky touch of the finish of the silicone case. I love the bottom. I love the front. I think this is just 2 millimeters, but it's still really enough for the screen to be protected. Finally, this price is worth it. And also this Apple Watch Sport Loop, I think I bought it for 20-ish bucks on Amazon through the Apple Store on Amazon. So I really am glad that I snatched this on a very decent price, because I guess this is like pretty much 40-ish bucks or 50 plus the tax. So I'm glad that I got this on sale. Yeah. If you are interested in getting this Plum iPhone 12 Pro Max Apple Silicone Case, you should get it. It's really pretty. I am not affiliated with Apple. I just love their products. We are almost 10,000 guys, and I'm so happy that we've reached that many. I'm trying my best to be uploading videos every week, usually every Monday. I'm gonna be giving away my old cases if you are interested. So if you have that phone, join the giveaway. I'll be linking it down in the description box, and I'm so excited to give it to you guys. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.